exciting occasion, and we're not going to take too much time with all of the comments today, because the main thing we want to do is cut that ribbon and let everyone go inside and see this beautiful renovated North Natchez Youth Center, which is now again available to the citizens of Natchez as a community center, a place for birthdays, reunions, meetings, and of course activities for our youth and for our children. It is a wonderful thing to stand on this porch of a building that just a short time ago was, well, shall we say, not looking its best.
Back in the 70s, me and my friend girl, we all used to come over here to the youth center. And we used to bring our kids, and then we used to come, just have some good time, have good fun. Ice cream man used to come, we play, we stay all day, no trouble, no nothing. Then we come here and we have dances. And then the kids would play, and the children would play basketball and stuff like that. So we had a real good time up here at this building back in the days, you know. And I thank the city of Natchez for doing it. Bye.
Every Sunday we were at the youth center. My daughter is 39 years old. Her first birthday party was out here by the tennis court.
And yes, I was passionate about this project when others wanted it torn down. This building has many of the original characters still in place. When you go inside, you're going to see many of the still original parts of this building. The floors are the original building parts of that. This, as all of our parks are, a place for all people.
A restored facility that we can take pride in. And most of all, a restored facility that we're not embarrassed to call our youth center. 2, 1.